I'm Megan, and this is Caitlin, and we're going to do the cover of The Only Exception by Paramore. When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry, curse at the wind, broke his own heart, and I watched as he tried to read a simple bullet. My mama swore she would never let herself forget. That was the day that I promised I'd never sing of love that does not exist. Darling, you are the only exception, and you are the only exception. Maybe I know somewhere deep in my soul that love never lasts. We've got to find other ways to make it alone and keep a straight face. And I've always lived like this, keeping a comfortable distance. And up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. For you are the only exception, and 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 I'm on my way to believing. Oh, and I'm on my way to believing.